Hey, no wonder that you see what you give me.
You be tryna hurt me so bad. You be tryna hurt me so bad. You be tryna fuck with my mind. You got it done. You got it done. You be tryna fuck with my mind. You be tryna play with my feelings. You be fucking all my emotions. You got that. Loved you from the very start. You were like my concubine. Nah, I made you number one, so I called you my wife. Mama knew you so well, so well. I put a ring on your finger. I say make a hustle, I come back. I see you banging another nigga. It's okay, it's okay. What's love, what's love? I only love girl. Cause when I go, money come through. Money come through. She say if I wanna have her, I got the money for life. I try to hustle for money, she leave me follow another man. She I don't regret so. Waiting that they do me. I'm tired of loving, but I keep loving. These people hurting me, I don't understand it. I'm a loyal nigga, why don't you want trust me? When I got your back, baby, why you fucking blame me? You should know this, wait till you do me, even me. I know you to understand, wait to make me fall again. But I keep on seeing you. Man, I keep on seeing you. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. I don't smoke for your mother. Ganja don't turn my toothbrush. You know I'm smart. You know I'm smart. Cause nigga no get cash. You say Boma no need this happy love. I understand. Now what I go walk. Why you follow and make her leave me?